Here he is. Meet Paolo, the programming consultant. Hi, Paolo. You're just in time for the program test. Paolo, don't make that face. We're almost done. Anyway, you know as well as I do, the program test takes time. Hey, calm down. With Paolo, you have to be very careful when talking about programming. Paolo, what did I say wrong? More speed in the program test? More speed in program modification? More understanding of the program? More reliability? Paolo, would you be so kind as to explain how this is achieved? With macros? Are you sure? Okay, I want to test you. How would you program the grooves of a pulley with macros? Were you able to program 7 grooves in a single command line? And can you easily change the dimensions via parameters? But does it work for all types of machining? A circular flange? A spanner? Laminated holes? A key? Ha! Okay, I get it. Most of the operations are repeated with different sizes, so I can configure them using macros. Well, you've almost convinced me, but what if I use CAM? Normally, when you want to make changes, you have to go back to CAM. Fantastic! By inserting the macros in the post processor, I can make changes directly on the machine. Paolo, you've convinced us. Hey, where are you going now? I can buy the macros online. I will find them sorted by type of machining, accompanied by a video showing the main features. And for the installation, I can consult the instructions in the manual and the parameter scheme that will be sent to me together with a macro. But what if I need more help? I will also get telephone assistance? Thank you, Paolo. You are truly unique. But now I have to go to cncofcourse.com to buy the macros we need. See you soon.